good, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you're doing well. I'm back in today with some juicy content. We're going to check out CateCoin, meme coin, and we're going to look at another project at the end of this video with huge potential, which I do perceive to be the next kind of Shiba or Dogecoin. So if you're all about those meme coins, the high risk, high reward, this video is certainly for you. So we're going to do a bit of an update with CateCoin first, look a bit of a Bitcoin analysis as well as what's going on, as well as this secret hidden gem I want to reveal to you at the end of the video. So altcoins are in overkill mode at the moment. We can see a lot of these meme coins over the last 7 days have performed incredibly. I mean, look at, for example, Tamadoge, we're up 30%. We've got Baby Doge up 18% over the week, and this is super bullish for the meme coin environment right now. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do smash that subscribe button. I'm doing a $200 giveaway of my favorite crypto project known as Lucky Block. So let's take a look at what's going on. We can see CateCoin is down 32.7%. We did have a huge increase in price over the last few days. We're down 32% against Bitcoin. We're down 32% against BNB. Has a self-acclaimed market capsule of $43.6 million, and you can see over the last 24 hours there has been a huge amount of trading volume. So what's actually happened here? I think there was a lot of anticipation based around an alleged launch or listing on the Binance exchange, but it never went down, and it was actually some different news. So this is an article I found here on the business2community.com website. We can see CateCoin price drops 35% as no Binance listing announced, written by Matt Williams. The CateCoin price is down 35% in the past day, despite Bitcoin and Ethereum being green on the day, as Cate news announcement angered the investors. The Cate price chart is now a broken parabola, a bearish pattern, following an approximately 750% upward move since mid-July. The price action resembles the pump and dump CateCoin had around November-December 2021. So why is it going down? Well, this is the official tweet here. We see CateCoin, please note, new domain will take 24 to 48 hours to be updated. Existing content in new domain is not related to CateCoin. Is this the long-awaited big news? Someone who had a sad face right here. So the news announcement was also repeatedly pushed back to create suspense, with the CateCoin team making a definitive statement that the news would take the CateCoin price to new heights. Many investors began to pump their Cate tokens and reply that CateCoin project was a scam or rug pull before and after the announcement. So here we go again. We've got another tweet right here. Due to the weekend, we are unable to confirm the news. We will publish an update once we have final confirmation. So they're creating that hype, creating the suspense, creating the tension, getting people excited, so they pile in their money. And then obviously they released this particular tweet here, which was kind of disappointing for a lot of the community, right? So you got this guy saying scam. Is it a scam? It could be a scam. We don't truly know the truth. But, you know, this is pretty garbage news when you think something really big is going to come out and all they've done is basically bought a domain. Will CateCoin be listed on Binance? CateCoin has implied that a Binance listing is in the works for the cat-themed meme coin project as far back as May 2021. That month, they tweeted, as per plan, we deposited 1% of supply to Binance wallet for future at Binance listing. We send this amount from our exchange liquidity wallet. Please note, Binance don't charge a fee for listing. However, a centralized exchange listing for an altcoin ranked 2796 on CoinMarketCap with a self-acclaimed market cap under 50 million, you know, is basically very unlikely that it's gonna get listed on Binance, guys. That's just the sheer truth. So what's going on with Bitcoin before we hop into the Cate price? We are still consolidating in this ascending channel. We did not yet put through the double top trading pattern. It was actually invalidated, so I'm quite impressed that we got this sea of green here. It didn't go the way I thought it would, but not everything does. One thing that did go the way I thought it would was the CateCoin price analysis. So we'll take a look at this. I did tell you guys that this was a huge bull flag right here and did get it right. So I'm pretty happy about that one. You can see massive gains after I posted a video about this, and we can see actually from the bull flag, came all the way up 180%, so we exceeded the technical target. Of course, now we are in a bit of a downtrend again. We're seeing a retracement following the hype and the euphoria. So what's happened, in my opinion, we had this massive accumulation range. Let me just show you. So all of this was just complete accumulation. There was 80 days of whale accumulation, smart money, people that want to take advantage of the extreme fear, and it paid off tremendously. You can see that. But what happened? We come up to the 0.00000025 level, which is a key resistance area, all the way from back here in February 2022. So that's why we got that rejection there. And at the moment now we're back in a slight retracement. It's quite a heavy retracement, to be honest. If you come from the swing low to the swing high, you can see that we've just came down to that golden pocket 0.618 Fibonacci retracement zone, which is known as our golden pocket here for CateCoin. So if CateCoin does consolidate at this level, this is where we can potentially see another bounce. I don't know if we'll bounce back up to the 0.000025, but we are getting a lot of rollover here, and you could possibly even see it as maybe a giant kind of falling wedge pattern if we do connect these swing lows to highs. So of course we can still come lower, we can still revisit this support of 0.000001 again. We can even come lower if the market wants to. It depends on the trajectory of Bitcoin. It depends how many whales are selling. It depends on the narrative around this project as well, how much volume they're going to get. Are there going to be more centralized exchange listings? La-di-da-di-da. So what I am seeing at the moment is a falling wedge. If we do get a breakout here on the falling wedge, we can come up easily to this level, and then maybe even retest as resistance and then break through, probably looking at that particular price target here. So if we just get the technical price target, just because we are looking at it, we take the width of this technical price target on a breakout would take us to around about the 0.00000022 level here for CateCoin. So yeah, unfortunately we have had the bad news. Now the hype and euphoria has worn off. It's hard to say what's going to happen next. So in my opinion, this was the opportunity, and if you missed that opportunity, it's probably not going to happen again. So let's keep that in mind. Dex Screener, this is just basically listing lots of projects, so we'll ignore that, but this is the project I want to talk to you about, because we're looking into the future right now at one of the next top 10 meme coins. Not financial advice, but I am so certain it's been in beta sale for just a few days, known as Tamadoge, another furry friend, play to earn with metaverse and also virtual reality elements. Another great thing about this is the play to earn elements. You can actually capitalize more crypto just by playing the game. So it looks really good, immersive, it's colorful, it's an ERC20 token, super easy to buy with some fiat or ethereum or USDT. And you can see already $1 million has been raised in just a few days. So super excited. We can see 22 days remain until a 25% increase on the price, and the actual main pre-sale itself is set to end at some point in Q4 2022. So Tamadoge, make sure you do a bit of research about this, have a look at all the white papers. I do anticipate this will be one of the next top 10 meme coins already with so much traction and growth. I mean, just look at that. It's really good to see. I'm very excited for this one. Here is the Tamadoge Twitter page of 29.7k followers. You can see already they're getting a lot of hype and euphoria. Just 19 minutes ago, raised $1 million US. However, the bad news is we are selling out fast, so you need to hurry up if you want to buy Tama before the 25% increase in price. And I do truly urge you to do that if you are a meme coin or high risk investor. I will leave all the links down to the Tamadoge socials, because full disclosure, this is a project I'm looking at buying right now, so it makes sense for me to also share with you the projects I see value in. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Look at all the links down below. Come say hello in the Discord and the Telegrams. Make sure you do your own research about this project. I do think it's going to be one of the best ones yet. Tamadoge, the play to earn Dogecoin. Let me know what you think about this as well. It's rug proof, SciSec accredited. We've got the Tamadoge pets, which are the NFT side of things. You can nurture and look after your own pets. You get the leaderboards, you can gain experience, and so on and so on. There's going to be some gameplay footage releasing at some point in the future too. So I really like this one. Let me know what you think in the comments about Tamadoge. Do you think Tama has the potential to become a next 10x crypto? I certainly do. Anyways, make sure you sub, like, comment, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.